morning, everyone. I hope you all can hear me and see me clearly. Great. We'll start the session in next 2 minutes, and today we have 3 p.m. Chandan sir will be joining in for around 4 to 5 expiries today. Sir, I've sent you a request to please join the stage. So can you hear me?
Yes, Anuj.
Okay, great. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Thursday morning session. Today we have Madhur Mundada sir with us, the Sensex King. हमने last session में around 30 points book किए थे partial profits में, and then the trade didn't go well, but a lot of our members book profits at 30 to 40, 20 to 30 points. And today we'll start with the index outlook. We have many expiries today. Chandan sir will be joining in at 2:30 p.m. today. So please ensure you join in and enjoy the session. For the morning session, we'll start with the market outlook, index overview, support resistance, any option trade if possible. अगर आपकी कोई queries हैं, feel free to drop them on the chat. We'll be happy to take it up. अगर आपकी queries हम answer नहीं कर पाए, you can drop it on Socomo and we'll be happy to take it up there. Madhu sir, we are all set. You can turn on your camera, share the screen, and then we are good to go.
Yes, Anuj. I hope the screen is visible.
Yes, sir. The screen is visible. You are visible. We are good to go.
Okay, yeah. So very good morning, everyone. Right. So today is one of the historic day for the NSE as it hosts a 5 monthly expiry today simultaneously for the first time with the multiple contract expiring on the same day. We can expect some kind of volatile moves in the market and sharp moves throughout the session. Right. We have the Nifty monthly expiry, Bank Nifty, then Midcap Nifty, FinNifty, and the Nifty next 50 expiry today. So 5 expiries, lot of things are going to happen today. So let's start with the Nifty, right? So from last three trading session, we have seen some kind of relief rally for the bulls. Nifty took support around 22,800, and from last couple of weeks, हम बोल रहे थे कि 22,800 निफ्टी का strong support है, and Nifty took the support around 22,800 zone, and from there onwards, we have seen some up move of nearly 400 points in the index, and forming a kind of higher bottom from last 3 to 4 trading session, right? So the next number in the Nifty is looking for this 23,333 zone. Once the index hold and close above 23,333 zone, we can see the momentum towards 23,600, 23,800 zone. So 23,333 का यहाँ पे पहला नंबर रहेगा निफ्टी का रेजिस्टेंस जोन, right? Again, the positional support will be around 22,800, 22,900 zone. So Nifty immediate support अगर मैं बात करूँ तो is 23,000, then 22,800, and while the upside 23,333 and then 23,500 zone. So this is Nifty's support resistance. Bias will be slightly positive, right? 2 days back it formed a doji sort of candle yesterday which closed above the doji, and a bullish candle yesterday as well. Nifty closed almost its day's high yesterday, right? The good part, we are trading above its weekly VWAP, though we are trading below its monthly VWAP, but the good part that we are trading its weekly VWAP almost more than 100 and 120 points. So that's a good sign for the Nifty, and that's why the bias is slightly positive, right? Now let's talk about the Bank Nifty. If I shift the chart to the Bank Nifty, banking index is slightly performing better than the Nifty, right? Trading almost near to its 20 DMA exponential average. And but the problem is Bank Nifty today's open high is the same. We need to negate the open high today. That is around 49,206, 49,200 के आसपास open high Bank Nifty का same बनाया है, and we need to negate that for the up move for the towards 49,500 zone. So talking about the Bank Nifty, again Bank Nifty we are trading slightly above the weekly VWAP, so slightly bias will be positive, right? The expected trading range is from the 48,750 to 49,750 will be the trading range, right? So next hurdle will be around seen at 49,500 and then 49,750. The supports are seen at 48,750, right? 48,750 the strong support zone, while the immediate support for the bank nifty is around 49,000 zone. So 49,000, then 48,750, while the hurdles are at 49,500 and then 49,750. So the 1,000 point range for the bank nifty as well. Again, we have the monthly expiry for the bank nifty. If you look at the banking heavyweights, HDFC Bank formed inside bar, ICICI Bank forming a dojis from last 2 to 3 trading session. So again, the quite a good move in ICICI Bank in last 2 weeks. Even the Kotak Bank is doing very nice. काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेटअप है कोटक बैंक का. इवन कल हमने 4 फोकस जो हमारा कैटेगरी है उसमें कोटक बैंक ने हमने इनिशिएट किया है ट्रेड फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 month's perspective, right? So next expiry is the FinNifty. If it's shift to the chart of the FinNifty, again a better chart than the bank nifty because forming a higher lows, higher highs from last 4 trading session. ट्रेडिंग इट्स 200-day मूविंग एक्सपोनेंशियल एवरेज क्रॉस ओवर किया है उसको और यहाँ पे सेटअप काफी. 2 major stocks of FinNifty, that is Bajaj Twins, Bajaj Finserv and the Bajaj Finance, both are trading at a day high and कल रिजल्ट भी आया था. Bajaj Finance का stock is almost up by more than 5% in last so many sessions. We have suggested to buy Bajaj Finance. काफी अच्छा सेटअप है. मार्केट के फॉल के बाद में भी थोड़ी भी गिरावट हमने देखने नहीं मिली थी उसमें, राइट? फिन निफ्टी की मैं बात करूं तो we can see the momentum towards 23,250 zone, 23,300, while the supports are seen at 23,000. The immediate support is at 23,000 and the hurdles are 23,250, 23,300. Next is the Nifty Midcap. On a monthly basis, the Nifty Midcap Select is down by nearly 8%. On a weekly basis, it was down by around 2%. But the good part that is it is almost trading its support zone. That is a major support zone, right? This is its major support zone, 11,500. जहां से हमने रैली देखी थी इसमें in around 10 June, जो post election outcome था, वहां रैली देखी थी, उसको retest हुआ है breakout and it made a high towards 13,400. We have seen a sharp correction in the index in last 1 month. The index is corrected by more than 8% and वहां से support लेके थोड़ा सा इसे आपको देखने मिला. On a daily chart, it's negated the sequence of lower lows and yesterday forming the bullish engulfing. The bias is slightly positive, though the on a bigger time frames chart is not much positive. But for the today's zone, while the hurdles are seen at 11,955. That is one of the important number, right? 11,955, and again after that 11,955, then 12,000. So 11,955, 12,000 are the levels to watch for the mid-cap select. So this is a quick update on the index, right? As per on the first Feb, we had a budget. So even you can see the surge in the India VIX almost nearly 25%, 30% in last 1 month. This is the chart of India VIX, and you can see it is up by nearly 30% in this month. All because of the major event that is on the first Feb, that is a union budget, right? So again, because of the spurt in the VIX, premiums are high, and we can see the more volatile moves in the index as well. Better to go with the spread in the index today because, as I said, 5 expiries are there. It's better to manage the risk reward, right? Yes, Anuj, now we can continue with the stock queries.
Sir, any stocks on radar for the trade?
Bajaj Finance was on the radar, but it's almost up by more than 5% now. So I'm tracking some stocks. We'll definitely update on that.
Got it. Sir, Zomato.
It's one of the favorite counter. We've seen some correction in the Zomato in last 1 month. More than 20%, 30% stock got corrected from the upside level. But again, 200 is one of the major support zone for the Zomato. For the long-term perspective, one can buy around 200 level, 210 level for next 1 to 2 years. You can hold this stock in your portfolio for the upside target towards 350, 400 zone. But short term थोड़ा सा पेन है यहाँ पर. For a long term purpose, you can buy around 200 zone. अगर किसी ने ऊपर में buy किया है, तो one can do your averaging at this price as well.
The Tata Motors down 8%. Should we buy or wait?
Before that, Anuj, stock for the intraday and the radar, that is a Bajaj Finserv. Right, Bajaj Finance में काफी move आ गया है, but Bajaj Finserv अभी इतना ऊपर नहीं आया है. Almost stock is up by 3%, but यहाँ से हमें लग रहा है कि थोड़ा up move आना चाहिए. So for the intraday, one can buy Bajaj Finserv at the current market price 1845 is the current market price. Stop loss will be 1825 for the upside target of 1870.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. So you were talking about the Tata Motors.
Yes.
Yeah, because of the result, stock is down by more than 8% and जो मेजर इसका सपोर्ट था वो भी ब्रिच हुआ है. सो वेट कर सकते हो इसमें बाय करने के लिए. शायद थोड़ा सा और करेक्ट हो सकता है टुवर्ड्स 650 जोन. सो वेट टू बाय टाटा मोटर्स.
Sir, what to do with Yatharth HOSP? Like his hospital, that's Yatharth Hospital.
Okay. So it's a recently listed IPO, I guess listed in last August, and it listed around 299, then made a high towards 693, and now trading around 400 zone. Right. So from last almost 7 to 8 weeks, it's forming a lower top, lower bottom. So structure is a weak as of now. It's a major support zone is around 350. So one can buy around 350. जब तक 350 होल्ड होता है वीकली में, नो इशू, यू कैन होल्ड एंड 350 के आसपास आप उसमें एवरेज भी कर सकते हो.
Sir, IPCA lab for 1 month had 1440.
Before that, one stock on the radar for the CDI, that is delivery purpose, that is the RVNL. We have seen some momentum in the railway stocks in last couple of sessions, and RVNL is on the breakout of consolidation breakout, on the verge of consolidation breakout, trading near 440 level with a stop loss of 420 for the upside target of 470. So one can buy RVNL for the, not for the intraday purpose, for the delivery. This is a chart of the RVNL weekly. It's on the verge of consolidation breakout. This is the daily chart, right? From last three trading session forming a higher top, higher bottom, and it can go towards 470 zone. So with a stop loss of, as I said, the stop loss of 420. Yes, Anu, now we can continue with the queries.
Sir, should I hold Banana Finserv today or hold for tomorrow?
Bajaj Finserv. So as I said, जैसे हम few minutes back, I initiated the intraday trade in the Bajaj Finserv. Setup काफी strong है. You can hold for the upside target towards even you can hold positionally towards 2000 target. काफी time बाद इसमें breakout हुआ है. You can see the weekly chart, right, forming a rounding bottom on the weekly chart. Daily में breakout हुआ है, so you can hold for next couple of weeks as well for the targets towards 2000 level.
So Tanla platform.
It's better to avoid. Structure is very weak, right? Even on the monthly structure, काफी weak है. It made a high around 1300 and back to 500. Better to avoid.
Sir, your view on Whirlpool?
Before that, Anuj, one can initiate the bull call spread in the Nifty. We are seeing some momentum in the Nifty. Rather than go with the naked call buying, we can go with the strategy, right? So I will share the buy 23,250 call and sell 23,350 call. 95 and 23,350 call is trading around the 55. So 40 will be the costing and the maximum gain will be 60 points. As I said, we can see the momentum towards 23,333 zone. It's better to go with the spread. One can buy 23,250 call and sell 23,350 call. The costing will be 40 points for the maximum gains of the 60 points.
So your view on Olectra?
Looking at the weekly chart is not that much well. थोड़ा सा नीचे support based buying देखने मिलती है, but ऊपर में momentum आता नहीं है. So one can buy around the support zone of 1250, 1300 is a support zone. So one can try to buy around the support level. And the problem is it's taking resistance around 1600 zone. You can buy around 1300 level for the upside target of 1600. As of now, at the CMP, it's better to avoid.
Sir, Hoodco.
Yes, few weeks back it negated the sequence of its lower lows and lower top on the weekly chart, and now trading in a consolidation phase of 201 to 220. So it's a kind of consolidation phase, and one can buy around 210 to not 5 level. It's a strong support zone. Slow and steady, you can see the momentum towards 240 250 level.
Sir, your view on BEL, BEL.
So we have seen some spike in the defense counters, BHEL, BEL, HAL, Mazgaon, Cochin in last 2 to 3 trading sessions. And as I said, BEL में भी काफी momentum देखने मिला. Yesterday it was up by 4% and today is up by more than 1.5%. So one can initiate buy trade on the BEL with a support of 250 zone with the upside target of towards 290.
Sir, Kalyan Jewellers.
So chart is quite weak. It's made a high of around 800, almost 50% correction in last 2 weeks, right? 2 to 3 weeks. But the good part कि support से शायद अब घूमने की कोशिश कर रहा है. But as of now यहाँ पे buy की सलाह नहीं रहेगी. It's better to wait for some more weeks and then we can initiate buy trade around 400 zone.
Sir, Afcon.
तो Afcon प्राइस वाइज काफी करेक्ट हो चुका है, ऑलमोस्ट इसका जो आईपीओ प्राइस है उसके आसपास आया है। तो स्ट्रक्चर वाइज वीक है, बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द सपोर्ट, तो इसका आईपीओ डे का प्राइस था, इट विल वर्क एज अ सपोर्ट जोन अराउंड 420। सो वन कैन बाय अराउंड 420 लेवल। किसी ने ऊपर के लेवल से बाय किया है तो आप एक बार वहां पे एवरेज कर सकते हो। अगर बट आईपीओ डे के प्राइस अगर ब्रीच करता है तो इट्स बेटर टू अवॉइड।
Sir, Ola Electric for long term.
ओके, ओला इलेक्ट्रिक सेटअप वाइज काफी वीक है, सो आप बाय कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, बिकॉज डेटा मेरे पास ज्यादा अवेलेबल है नहीं, बिकॉज रिसेंटली लिस्टेड आईपीओ। सो सपोर्ट वाइज 60 the strong support zone. For a long term purpose you can buy around 60-62 level for the upside target towards 100-120.
Sir, Suzlon.
Uzlon, no? The stock is in upper circuit from last two trading session and negating its sequence of lower lows, lower top of the daily chart. And I guess on a weekly chart अब तक वो negation हुआ नहीं है, but daily में negation हुआ है। 2 days back इसका रिजल्ट आया था, and शायद रिजल्ट की वजह से काफी इसमें 2 दिन से सर्किट हमें देखने मिल रहे हैं। So जैसे in last many sessions we have discussed support level of Suzlon around 50 level, and you can see it made a bottom towards 47, and from 47 now the stock is at 55. So one can buy around 50-55 level for the upside target towards 60-70 in the long term purpose.
Sir, Acme Solar.
And before that, one stock on the radar for the intraday, that is Mahindra Lifespace. Mahindra Lifespace for the intraday stock is trading at the 410 level, 410-12 के आसपास ट्रेड हो रहा है। So with a stop loss of 406 for the upside target towards 422. So 406 के स्टॉप लॉस से ऊपर हमें लग रहा है कि 420-422 तक का इसमें मोमेंटम आना चाहिए। It's a reversal kind of trade, forming a higher top from last 2 to 3 trading session, and support से काफी अच्छा bounce देखने मिला है with a good volume.
Sir, ADF Foods. Before that, we had Acme Solar. Sorry.
Can you spell Anuj?
ACME Solar.
Okay, Acme Solar. The stock is trading at the upper circuit. I guess yes, near the upper circuit. Setup wise यहाँ पे weak ही है अभी भी, दो negation हुआ है daily chart पे, but ज़्यादा data available है नहीं, so I can't comment much on this. But if I talk about the support, so 170 as of now looks a strong support zone, and the 240 looks like quite a strong resistance zone, so we can play the range. So stock is near its long-term support, that is around 12,030. So let's look at the support zone. अगर 1230 अगर hold होता है, so you can buy around 1230 because ऊपर से काफी correction देखने मिला है and एक support के आसपास आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है, तो यहाँ से एक bounce back हमें देखने मिल सकता है. So one can buy around 1230 level.
And so this will be the last query for the day. IDFC First Bank of additional investment.
One of the laggard counter in the banking space. Even for the positional purpose, I won't suggest. It's better to go with the ICICI Bank or Axis Bank in the banking space for the long-term purpose, because you can see on the chart, काफी downtrend में है, and even in the monthly chart you can see this is the monthly chart. So काफी लगार रहता है, इसमें momentum होता नहीं है. And Bank Nifty अगर मैं बात करूँ तो in last 2 to 4 years कहाँ से कहाँ Bank Nifty आ गया, almost 20,000 to 50,000, but this stock has not able to surpass on higher levels. So better to avoid. You can go with the ICICI Bank or Axis Bank.
So guys, that will be all for today's morning session. आज का afternoon session चंदन sir लेने वाले हैं, so don't forget to join in. So that will be all. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Madhur sir.
Yeah, thank you.